Hi class, welcome to today's reading lesson. This week we are talking about baby animals. When we're reading our stories this week, I want you to remember our essential question: how are some animals alike and how are they different? All right, today we are going to have an interactive read aloud and I will read it for us since it's not working on Wonders most of the time. All right, baby farm animals. How are some farm animals alike and how are they different? A farm is a busy place. Not only does a farmer grow the crops, but a farmer also watches over many animals that live there. You can see horses, cows, ducks, chickens, sheep, and pigs at a farm. All of these animals are alike because they live on a farm. But they are also very different because none of them look or sound quite the same. Every year, new farm animals are born on a farm. Some are born on the floor of a barn, while others are born in a nest. After these baby farm animals are born, their mothers take care of them. They will make sure their babies get enough food, sleep, and exercise. Two baby farm animals are a foal and a calf. A foal is a baby horse. A calf is a baby cow. A foal and a calf are alike in some ways. They both stand on four legs and they both have hooves. Both foals and calves like to stay near their mothers after they are born. But a foal and a calf are different in their appearance. A foal can have a plain brown or black coat, while a calf can be born with black and white spots. Foals and calves also make different sounds. A foal can make a sound like neigh, and a calf can make a mooing sound. Most foals are born at night. This helps protect the baby horse from other animals that could harm it. A foal can already stand up just 1 hour after it's born. A mother cow licks her baby all over after it is born. This not only cleans it like a bath would, but it also puts the mother's scent on her baby. From then on, the calf knows his or her mother. The next time you visit a farm, look out for the chicks and ducklings. You will probably see them following their mother around the barn or near the pond. Or you might hear them. Chicks or baby chickens will say cheep, cheep, cheep. A duckling or baby duck makes a quacking sound. Chicks and ducklings both stand on two legs and are born with a soft, fluffy coat. Chicks and ducklings hatch from eggs laid by their mothers. As soon as they are born, they like to get warm by sitting close to their mother's bodies. Chicks and ducklings have a lot of differences too. A chick will wander around on land, usually near the barn, while a duckling will spend its time floating in a pond. A chick is born with a beak, while a duckling has a bill. A chick is born with a tiny tooth in its beak. The chick uses the tooth to break the shell and peck its way out. When a duckling is born, it is very thirsty. It needs plenty of water to help it grow. Lambs and piglets are common farm animals. A lamb is a baby sheep, and a piglet is a baby pig. If you go near the barn, you may hear the baa of a lamb or a piglet's high squeal. Lambs and piglets are alike in some ways. They both stand on four legs and drink their mother's milk after they are born. Their mother's milk is the only kind of food they will eat for many weeks. Lambs and piglets stay with their mothers after birth. This behavior helps protect the baby animals from harm. Lambs and piglets have many differences too. A lamb is born with a soft, fluffy coat, while a piglet is born with smooth skin. Piglets usually live inside the barn when they are young. Lambs will stay outside. Piglets are very hungry when they are born. You may see piglets climbing all over their mother. They are trying to get as much milk as they can. A lamb spends a lot of time with its mother. If a lamb and its mother are separated, the lamb will recognize its mother by the sound the mother makes. Every baby animal needs its mother. All right, now our letter and sight words for this week. I want you to do letter, word, sound for our letter. U, umbrella, Good job. Remember, this is the short U sound because U is a vowel. Vowels can make more than one sound, so later on we will learn the long U sound. But right now, focus on the short U sound. Our two sight words, F-O-R, for, H-A-V-E, have. Go ahead and go on Wonders, complete the activities, and then complete your workbook.